tēnei marae o tātou, o taki tūtū, o Parihaka.
Parakore's goal is that by 2020 all marae in Aotearoa will be working towards zero waste.
Paratene Ripia tākuna inua. Ai mahi au, mo tēnei mahi parakore.
In 2009 we had 3 marae part of Parakore, the kaupapa of Parakore. In 2016 we have around 140.
Tino kaupapa o Parakore, kia kore ai e tiku ngā para kia papatūna.
For us, Parakore is about the big picture, is about sustainability.
The Parakore program helps marae to reduce waste. It's a waste education program, so we go into marae and we help them to set up recycling systems for things like the cardboard and the steel cans, the glass, the plastics.
Riro taonga mai, hoki taonga atu. I te mea, ka riro I ngā taonga a tāhua o papatūanuku kia tātou, hei aha, hei kai, hei pūngao, hei pūnao mō tātou. Ko tōna tikanga me hoki he taonga ki aia. Kia kaua rawa e hoki rāpihi atu ngā koha ki aia. Nō reira koia tērā tā tātou whakatauki o Parakore.
Riro taonga mai, hoki taonga atu. So our vision is that one day we will be able to return gifts to papatūanuku. So we're not just wanting to reduce harm to the environment, but we're wanting to regenerate papatūanuku.
Parakore is making a difference in our communities. We're looking at being more sustainable, growing our own kai, washing, squashing, reusing, zero plastics. Yeah, absolutely, and it's going into the homes as well. We are being active kaitiaki as marae Parakore whānau, looking at the whenua, growing kai, looking at the health of our rivers, the health of our ika, our tuna within the rivers, and also looking further down to the moana.
So Parakore for us is looking at our different streams of waste. So we've got our recycling, so our glass, plastics, cans, and then we've got our dirty paper, which we mix up with our green waste to make compost. So that's like, you know, paper towels, serviettes, we put them with our grass clippings and it makes a good hot mix. Then we've got our food scraps and we feed those to our tuna. We have a pā tuna, we've been feeding that for over 100 years. We've got tikaka, our chickens, pigs, cats, dogs and worm farms. So that's how we get rid of our waste. That's Parakore for us.
Tāhua tana o nei mahi. Kia whakapai ai mātou o konei o ētahi atu wāhi mo te hana rua. Harakau mo te Jacqui mai te whenua, mo te whakawehewehe, whakamohio tana ki te hana rua.
Parakore is about whakapapa, it's about remembering who we are and where we're from. And most of all, Parakore is remembering that we are part of the natural world. So we have a relationship, we are related to every other living and non-living thing on this planet.